Before we dive right into Windows 8, we should discuss what you'll need in the way of hardware, as well as the different editions of Windows 8 you can choose from. Firstly, you should know that Windows 8 will work just fine on the same hardware that powers Windows 7. Now, ideally, your processor is going to be at least 1 gigahertz or faster. You'll need a gigabyte of RAM for a 32-bit installation and 2 gigs of RAM available for a 64-bit installation. Your hard drive, you're going to need some free space, 16 gigs for a 32-bit install. You'll need 20 gigabytes of free space for your 64-bit installation. An ideal graphics card might be a Microsoft DirectX 9 graphics device with WDDM driver. And there are some additional requirements if you're going to use certain features like touch, for example. Of course, you're going to need a tablet or a monitor that supports multi-touch. If you're going to be accessing the Windows Store and downloading and running apps, you're going to need an active internet connection and a screen resolution of at least 1024 by 768. It's going to need to be even higher if you want to use cool features like snapping windows to the side of your screen. In that case, you're going to need to bump your resolution up to at least 1366 by 768. Now, Windows 8 has been reimagined, and this also applies to the editions you can choose from. Microsoft has made it a lot easier for customers to know exactly what edition will best suit their needs when they either upgrade their current computers or purchase new ones. We'll begin with Windows 8, which will be the right choice for most consumers or home users. It's going to work on your standard x86 64 computers and tablets, whether you're using a touchscreen keyboard and mouse or all of the above. And those who go with Windows 8 Edition will experience a newly updated Windows Explorer and Task Manager and better support for multiple monitors. You'll even have the ability to switch languages on the fly, and that's something that was only available in the Ultimate and Enterprise editions of previous Windows versions. Windows 8 Pro is ideal for tech enthusiasts and business technical professionals who need a broader set of Windows 8 technologies. It includes all the features in Windows 8, plus features for encryption, virtualization, PC management, and domain connectivity. Also, the Windows Media Center is available as an economical media pack add-on to Windows 8 Pro. So, if you're an enthusiast or you want to use your PC in a business environment, you'll probably want Windows 8 Pro. Windows RT is the newest member of the Windows family, also known as Windows on ARM or WOA. This single edition is only available pre-installed on PCs and tablets powered by ARM processors. Windows RT won't run traditional x86 64 desktop software. Instead, it'll run touch-oriented apps based on Windows Runtime, Microsoft's programming model for mobile apps. Windows RT also includes touch-optimized desktop versions of the new Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote programs. Lastly, as with previous versions of Windows, there is an edition of Windows 8 specifically for those enterprise customers with software assurance agreements. Windows 8 Enterprise includes all the features of Windows 8 Pro, plus features for IT organizations that enable PC management and deployment, advanced security, virtualization, new mobility scenarios, and a whole lot more. This is the version of Windows 8 I'm going to be using in this title. So those are your Windows 8 choices, and it's good to know they'll run well on your existing Windows 7 hardware without the need for any major upgrades. For you XP users upgrading to Windows 8, review the system requirements at the beginning of this movie to make sure you're ready to roll.